Welcome back. Now, across the Caribbean this evening, continued stable conditions are still governing the area. We do have some clouds that are across sections of the Greater Antilles. We do have some moisture convergence. Those strong winds are still blowing across the Caribbean. We still have 20-knot winds through the area. Much of the activity pushing out and into the Gulf of Mexico, but we still have those lingering clouds, those fair weather clouds over the open waters of the basin. Now, the forecast for tonight is for fair skies across the island. We're expecting the temperatures to drop to 25 degrees Celsius. Now, we do have a northerly wind tonight on the north coast, so we do have a land breeze tonight across the south coast rather, and then also on the north coast, again, we do have southeasterly winds averaging about 5 knots. In the morning tomorrow, expect it to be partly cloudy, especially if you're in central or eastern parishes. It's generally fair elsewhere. Then for the afternoon, there is likely to be an increase in shower activity, especially over inland areas and western parishes. We have temperatures reaching about 33 degrees Celsius in Kingston and to 34 degrees Celsius for Montego Bay. In our breakdown tomorrow, we do have some shower activity in the southwest. Also across sections of Mandeville, we do have showers and possible thunderstorms. That's Mandeville, also in Santa Cruz, Black River, Savannah, Lamar, and the Grill. And we do also see the possibility of some shower activity in Lucy. Inland areas across sections of Christiana, Grange Hill, Duncans, and Cape Valley, you can expect isolated afternoon showers and possible thunderstorms. Now, the next few days has similar weather conditions. We have isolated afternoon showers and possible thunderstorms Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. For the marine forecast, the winds are now southeasterly on the north coast tomorrow. They are 5 to 10 knots. Wave heights are between 0.5 and 1 meter. Those 20-knot winds are expected to continue across offshore areas tomorrow. Wave heights are getting up to 2 meters. And that's it for the weather report and forecast for this evening. But we thank you so much for watching.
Get the forecast you can trust. TVJ's Primetime Weather Report. After primetime news, stay one step ahead on Television Jamaica.